This is the ZEBLAZE GTS 3 Plus going into always on ambient mode right now. A flick of the wrist and you got it back into its original watch face. Wonderful watch, super nice display. AMOLED all the way. You've got lots of brightness controls in here, music player controls. Yep, it's Bluetooth calling and music streaming. There's the speaker microphone on this one. You got a bright flashlight in here as well. It doesn't flicker in person like it does on the screen. That's with the timing between the displays. This will turn you into your do not disturb mode if you want to. Your information tells you it's the GTS 3 Plus, and you can call your phone if you want, if you've lost it. Overall settings are here. You got menu style that you can change, overall display, battery, the typical kind of things. You can set the time directly if you want to, or pick it up automatically from your phone when you pair it. You can put in a password, and of course the standard system stuff of shutting it down or restarting or whatever. Pull over this way, you get a panel that shows you basic information. Coming up, you get messages sent from your phone. Here you got your step information, 24-hour step count, and 7-day weekly average. Here's your heart rate information on this one with 24-hour heart rate as well. Last night's sleep times available with the past few nights. You got a basic temperature and current conditions chart here. Music player that'll stream from your phone to the watch, and then your different activities, walking, running, cycling, and so forth are available, and you can rearrange these or add or subtract them as you desire. When you tap the button on the side, you get into all of your different things like phone calling, contacts, records, your voice assistant, Siri or Google. And again, the data, workout information we've already seen, heart rate, blood pressure, and oxygen. Ladies, your female cycle information's in here. You got some breath training, stopwatch timers, you know, the standard stuff. You got a pretty nice little calculator in here too, and that's cool. It kept the computation between sessions. Nice. You've got a little calendar and a remote camera, and again, the overall settings for your basic vibration and system that you can do all your shutdown and reset and things that you want to. As far as watch faces, you can change them to any that you'd like. And again, the AMOLED screen is just bright and vivid, so you get a super display with this one. And the always-on display integrates with it well, too. It is the ZEBLAZE GTS 3 Plus. Check it out.